Here are the Tucker and Callie puppies eating some cereal. They are just about 3 weeks old. Callie jumped in the box and nursed them for about 2 minutes and then jumped out, which is what she does a lot of these days. So she wakes them up from a big nap and then gets them all riled up and hungry and then says, "See you later," so that I need to come in and feed them. Make sure everybody's getting enough to eat. This one over here decided he'd rather just go back and take his nap, which is fine. But all the rest of them are doing pretty well in the weaning process. They're getting a cereal of Royal Canin, Maxi Starter, Raw Hamburger, Puppy Gold Supplement, and water. And they seem to be doing really well with that. All their stools are firm, and they seem to think it is pretty good stuff.